Welcome to the Phonotech Chronicle, your hotspot for the latest in smartphone technology. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out on the best tech insights. Today, we're diving into the TECNO Pova 6 Pro 5G, a game-changer in the smartphone market. This device boasts a stunning 6.78-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display, perfect for immersive gaming or binge-watching your favorite shows. Its 108MP main camera sensor captures every detail, making your photos pop with vibrance. Powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 6080 chipset, it ensures smooth performance no matter the task at hand. Relish in the security of an in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock. The TECNO Pova 6 Pro 5G runs on Android 14 with iOS 14 skin, optimizing your gaming experience with features like Game Space 4.0 and Game Assistant 4.0. Impressively, this phone packs all these features at an affordable price. So why wait? Explore the world of tech with us. Subscribe to Phonotech Chronicle today for more smartphone reviews and tech tips. This is where technology meets simplicity.